In my last tutorial, I gave an overview of how to control the fluid color. In this video, I'm exploring how to generate wet maps in Cinema 4D from your liquids. If you're not already familiar with setting up your own liquid simulation, you should watch my first video in this series. And if you'd like to check out the project file for the water hose animation, it's available on my Patreon, which is linked below in the description. The first thing you need to do is add a vertex map tag to the object that you want to get wet. Enable fields on that tag and drag and drop your liquid mesh into the list. Make sure to set the mode to volume. Next, drop in a decay and set it relatively high. As the fluid hits our object, it adds to the vertex map, and because we're using decay, it slowly fades away, creating an evaporation effect. Let's implement this data inside of a redshift material. To do this, I'm creating a new standard material and applying it to the object with our vertex map. Inside the node editor, create a vertex attribute node, drag and drop the vertex map into the attribute name, and plug the out scalar directly into the color input on the material. These are float values from black to white, which we can use as a mask to create a variety of effects. I'll show you a simple use case for masking between two colors. Create a color node and duplicate it. Next, create a color mix node. Plug each color into the color mix node and plug the output into the base color input on the material. Finally, plug in the out scalar from the vertex attribute node into the mix amount on the color mix node. I'm just assigning random colors here so the effect is really obvious. Wherever the fluid hits the surface, it will turn green. When I play it back in the viewport, we don't really see the effect happening as the color mix node is only visible in the render view. Once we enable the IPR, we can see that the setup is working as expected. Most surfaces become darker when wet, so we'll swap the green for a deeper red. With this basic setup, you can use the vertex map to drive things like roughness to make wet areas appear more glossy, or you can use it to blend between textures. For the hose animation, I used a few techniques, and if you'd like to check out the project files, they're available on my Patreon. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.